Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Ebonoa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to color grade your images using the camera raw filter. Okay, so I already have my photograph opened in Photoshop already, so I'm just going to head over to the filter panel. I'll go to my camera raw filter. Okay, so my camera raw filter interface looks like this. So you can see the basic panel, which contains your temperature, exposure, and all that stuff. So you're going to scroll down. Yes, as you can see, this is the color grading area. So I'll click on this right arrow and we have our color wheel. Okay, so this particular color wheel, this top one, whatever adjustments you make here will affect the midtones of the photograph of the image. Okay, as you can see, so right there it's applying some greens to the midtones of the image, it's applying some reds, and okay, the farther away from the dots that I go, the more saturated the color will become. Okay, so let's go towards the red direction now. So as you can see, the closer I get, or the farther away from the dots I get, the more saturated my red becomes. So the farther away you move from this center dot, the more saturated the color will become. Okay, now this particular color wheel affects the shadow areas of the image, the shadow areas, the dark areas, okay, and same principle applies. The farther away from the dots that you get, the more saturated the color you are applying to your photograph. This last panel affects the highlights of the photograph, which is like the bright parts, or the brightest parts of the image. So there are not too many bright parts in this photograph here, but we can still do some adjustments, subtle adjustments. Okay, so let's dive right in. So for this image, I think I would start off with the shadow areas. I think I want to add some like some cyans. Let me see. Okay, I don't like the green. Somewhere around there is fine, or looks great. Okay, I don't want it to be too saturated, so I'm not going overboard. So somewhere around there I think works for me. No, yeah, somewhere around here. Okay, my mid-tones, I think I want to add some yellows. And it's one fundamental thing is that for you to be able to color grade your images well, to taste, you have to have a good understanding of the color wheel and how colors interact. You have to understand analogous colors, complementary colors, and all that. I might do another tutorial on that, but let's just get this over with. before I forget, guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have some other videos that you can watch that I believe you will find helpful, so hit that button. Okay, back to it. So I want to add some warmth into the overall image, the midtones of the image. So I think I'll add some orange. Yeah, this is like orange, a bit of yellow, a bit of orange. Let's see. Nah, that doesn't go. Okay, so like I said, I already have an idea of how I want to color grade this image, so I want to add a bit of warmth. So I think, yeah, somewhere here is fine. Okay, then the highlights, let's see. I think I'll just add a bit more warmth into the highlights, a bit of yellows. Sorry about that. Let me come back to this. Let me zoom in here. Okay. Yeah, so I am okay with the current color grade that I've been able to achieve. Let's see what before and after looks like. Before and after. So as you can see, we've done some awesome stuff. So yeah, this blending is just how all the colors you've applied, how they blend together into the photograph. It's not really something that you can, the effect is not that obvious, it's subtle, like I said. Okay, I haven't mentioned that earlier, but the effect is quite subtle. Alright, so I think I love this image. I love the color grade. So I'll just click OK. Ta-da! Check this out. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos. I will see you in the next video.